India finds new gas bearing zone in Rajasthan Dandewala field. India has discovered the new natural gas bearing zone in the Rajasthan's Dandewala field. This breakthrough is achieved by the state-run Oil India Limited (OIL) and it marks an important step to reducing the India's on imported energy. What has India discovered? Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has announced that Oil India Limited has successfully unlocked the natural gas flow from a new gas bearing pay zone in the Rajasthan Dandewala field. The discovery comes from the Salwar Sanu formation and making it a notable geological and operational breakthrough. This is significant because it expands the hydrocarbon potential of the Dandewala field and it opens the fresh opportunities for domestic gas production. The minister has also described it as a new chapter in India's energy production journey. Where is the Dandewala field located? The Dandewala field is located in the Rajasthan within the hydrocarbon rich Rajasthan sedimentary basin. This basin is one of the India's major onshore oil and gas producing regions. It has traditionally been better known for the crude oil production, but recent exploration efforts have increasingly focused to expanding the natural gas extraction. Its strategic location also makes it important for supplying energy to northern and western India. Why this discovery matter? As India remains heavily dependent on imported energy, current dependence includes over 85% of crude oil imports, around 50% of natural gas imports. This situation creates the vulnerability to the global oil price shocks, geopolitical instability, supply chain disruption, currency pressure due to the import bills. This domestic gas discovery helps reduce some of these risks. Role of Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited (OIL) is one of the India's leading upstream energy public sector companies. The company has been actively expanding the exploration efforts across multiple sedimentary basins. Its key focus areas include the hydrocarbon exploration, enhanced oil recovery, natural gas development, advanced drilling technologies, basin resource expansion. This discovery reflects the oil's increasing role in strengthening domestic energy production, energy security, and geopolitical context. The discovery comes at the crucial time as the global energy markets have faced the uncertainty due to the geopolitical tensions in the West Asia, supply disruption, crude oil price volatility, rising international gas demand. Energy security is increasingly linked to the national resilience.